What's up everybody and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at how you can import your LUTs one at a time or as a whole group of LUTs right after this. Okay guys, I've already imported my clip. Let's have a look. We'll go over to your effects tab. We're going to get into your Lumetri color, the creative tab, and when you click on look, that is where all your presets of LUTs will be listed here. We're going to click browse and you'll go to the space on your PC where you've saved your LUTs. In my case, I made a folder LUT pack, and you want to import the cube files. So, and there you can see, click OK. This one is a bit harsh, let's change it to something else. Oh, that's better. But this way you can view your LUTs one at a time. But let's say you want to import a whole bunch of LUTs, a pack. From here we're going to go to the folder where you've saved your LUT pack, which in my case, obviously I'm using a Windows machine, and I've saved mine under my D drive, under the Adobe project files. I made a folder called LUT pack. You can Control and A to select all, copy. Then we're going to go to the C drive where the Adobe project, where the system files are saved. So it's project files, program files, Adobe Premiere. You'll see the folder. You're going to go down to Lumetri. There it is. And LUTs. And under the creative folder, we are just going to right click and paste. I've already copied these, so I'll just rewrite those. And then they are all copied under your Adobe Premier Pro's main files. Okay, so if you open up the look tab now, they will all be listed here. I've actually got quite a few. I need to clean some of those out. But there you go guys, thanks for watching. As always, like, share, leave a comment in the section below if there's something you would like to see, and I'll catch you in the next one.